Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about Windows. Let's go to the code. So we create the window by instantiating from top level class. And we pass the parent, which is root here. And let's see our window. This one is our window. We can set a name for the window by saying window.title. So here is my window now. This my window title comes from this my window. Now let's change the window size. So there is a nice method here. We can say window dot geometry, a window of 500 by 500. This is the size of the window from the location or coordination of 200x and 200y. So basically means from left go to 200 and from top come down 200, and from that point create a window which is 500 by 500. Let's have a look. So this is 200, this is 200, and this is 500 by 500. At the moment I can also resize the window, make it small or large. There's no problem with that. If we want to restrict it, we can say this is for x and this is for y. So we are saying in the x direction it shouldn't be resizable, and in the y direction shouldn't be resizable. Let's have a look. I cannot resize it from left to right or bottom to top. Nothing. I cannot do anything. Now I can change it. So I can say from left to right is still false, shouldn't be happen, but from up to down or down to right, this should be fine. So let's have a look. It's easier. Look, the first one false is this from these two sides. It's false. I cannot resize it. But the second one, which is true, is from top and down. From top and down is fine. So if I change it again and say both true, means we can maximize and minimize from both sides. Now we can say it is resizable, but there is a maximum that we can resize. For example, I can say max size of 500 and 500. Means we can resize it, but it shouldn't go from more than 500 in the x and more than 500 in y, or the length and width. Look at here, I can resize it but I cannot go over 500. I can resize this, but I cannot go over 500. But if you look at that, I can go up to very, very small amount from here and from here. But we can control this one too. So I can say window.min size. It shouldn't be smaller than this 200. Let's have a look. So I can make it small, but not less than 200 in the x direction and y direction. So it's 200 by 200 is the minimum that we can have. But we can make it larger up to 500, but not more than that. We can also destroy our window by saying window.destroy. You don't see anything because as soon as it creates it, it destroys it. So we only see the root. This is the root. And also we can destroy the root too. We can say root.destroy. Then you don't see anything because the root also will be destroyed as soon as it is created. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to create a paint window. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching and see you later.